Welcome, friends. During the height of COVID, I became bored and needed some exercise. What better to do than to dig a large hole? A 9-foot by 8-foot by 3-foot hole to be exact. Over many months of digging, in between meetings, teaching kids all of their schoolwork, and being a diligent spouse, I only had an hour here, an hour there, so it did take some time. On the bright side, this gave me plenty of time to work on the design. My goal was to create a self-sustaining, low-maintenance system, and after a bit of research, learning about fish and plant nutritional needs, and diving into the biochemistry from experts around the world, I had my plan.
So this is our aquaponic system. We have the water pumping into the tubes from this wire. Through these, we're giving the plants all the nutrients from the old fish and pond guckiness. So we have our growing plants. We have more than 3 different kinds of cauliflower, kale, and
Chard.
After this, it goes back out, filters back out into the pond, and the system redoes.
And so as it falls out of that system, it gives us this beautiful waterfall. Lots of neighbors have ponds, and their main complaint is that critters chew through the rubber lining in no time flat, causing a huge headache to find the leak. It takes time to fix it, and the cost burden incurred. I absolutely wanted to avoid that complication. I acquired the largest hot tub I could find for free off of Facebook Marketplace, removed all the old piping. A hot tub is made out of fiberglass, is extremely strong, and is pretty darn hard for any critter to chew through. I went to the local hardware store and picked up a bunch of 4-inch piping for the plant multi-layer apartment. Found a water pump that would pump up to 10 feet off of Amazon, and had purchased the pine liner. The liner was the most expensive part, but luckily there was enough sources out there that would provide a large sheet of thick pond rubber for about $200. The thicker the better. I wanted to create a waterfall effect. I initially wanted a really nice design with a fancy rocks cascading effect. However, I couldn't find anything that was within my price range, so I made my own with a lot of help from my family, from the kids, from my mom, from my husband. We were able to complete the project.